Lower bands touch RTY on the 35. Speed of RTY 72.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
Speed of RTY 57.
Why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Othrow.
Test 1 2 test. Are you ready? Oh, who even knows these days? Don't forget, trading is risky and all that business. Welcome back. Let's see if I can get the music going here. Let me know how that mic is. I want to make sure that the sound is good. I am late as usual lately.
Speed of RTY 51.
Got the kids going back into school, so it's, you know, homeschool time, so we're a lot more involved. And, yeah. Fun times. Let's get to business, shall we? Alright, we got our 5 trades lined up, ready to go. Bottom left-hand corner there. No trades yet so far here. Need to get my ATM set properly. Let's go through our checklist. Let's get, I'm going to go with, let's go 5 small, 5 small, 5 small. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. All right. 5 small for the ATM. Currently, sell side. Have been there most of the morning, looks like. Looks like a dive bomb into the golden ropes. High time frame here. On the wave. Someone remind me on the wave. RTY, are we on 38? 39, I don't recall. Somebody give me the number for that real quick. We just got a ready up, so I should be ready for the next play here. I'll arm continuous here if we get an enigma after this ready up. Within this section, here comes the king timings.
Enigma long on the RTY.
Okay, there it is. So we got an Enigma long right there, and it's against the favorable direction here, so we got to be careful. We'll see if ends up being a trap and a push or not. We did get the ready up, so let's see if it's going to help us out here, but we are literally like catching a falling knife here, as this has been a down move.
It's a hold oil export loading at 5 export terminals.
And got an Enigma up in the middle of it. Somebody type 4LDT in the chat for me. Give me a dog head. There's a little first part of the head. I give you the nose. All right, on the nose, going 4LDT. Let's see if it's going to pay off or if I'm going to get skunked here on my first trade here this morning.
RTY on the 30.
Oh, and I'm getting skunked here on the first trade. Boo. All right. Trade 1 on a loss. Another ready up right here. Re-entry here on the Enigma would be above this cross. Troublesome being that we are definitely on the short side here. So can I take this as a double cross? I can.
Divergence up RTY on the 8. Lower bands touch RTY on the 35.
I think that's about all she wrote at that spot there.
Speed of RTY 90. Speed of RTY 90.
That's the open line down below us. I stop back behind the crosses here.
Target filled.
Butamus.
Lower
So
bands touch RTY
that
on
extension was
35.
pretty heavy, and we touched. We got a green touch on the Bollinger's high time frame, and simultaneously we got the divergence plus a 6.2. Gave it a shot here to see if we would have a little place here for some back and forth here. So one winner, one loser here this morning, or one loser, one winner, I should say, in the proper order. We now have a ready up again. Let's see. Do we have a zone to work with? No. Currently just have moved into, yeah, big distribution leg here so far.
Speed of RTY 52.
Still moderate sell, so can't go for runners. We're just T1 in it here. We also, up top side, got a big 17 down here after we got a 10-11, then boom, a giant 17 with a delta ready up. We're kind of close to king timing there.
US stocks extending gains now with the Nasdaq up a 4%, S&P up around spot 8%.
And yes, thank you, Eddie. Eddie's also reminding me we are also in the 940 to 950 reversal time here. Just got auto entered in on that Enigma. We'll see if that carries through there.
Speed of RTY 58.
Ooh. Not my day today, huh?
Eastern time, we get US pending home sales.
Okay, it's a moonshot. Oh, don't stop me out. Yikes. All right.
Lower bands touch
And US
RTY on the
pending homes
35.
index, price 74 spot 3.
Ooh. So sliced right through me there. I'm going to press F11 here and mark that one.
Enigma short on the RTY1.
All right, we got a moonshot short, and let's see if that one's going to work out. Went strong sell side here. Enigma pushing us in.
Speed of RTY 77.
Target filled. Reversing.
Speed of RTY 58. Speed of RTY 58. DCDMRTY on the 1.
So oil futures extend gains, US crude up by $2 a barrel.
Lower bands touch RTY on the 35.
All right, trade number 3. Still in some negative territory here.
If the greatest...
So here, where is my live stream? That's not it. There it is. Okay.
Lower bands touch RTY
Now I can see
on the
your
35.
chat. All right, let's do pop out.
Speed of RTY 56.
At 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we get US pending home sales change month over month. Forecast 0.2%, on the prior 4.8%, and US pending homes index prior 74.3.
Yeah, it happens. I'm not perfect like you guys. Sorry. $20.9.
Speed of RTY 104. Speed of RTY 104.
So yeah, we came hard out of that spot that I was talking about there a minute ago. It's like that deep of a move into Bollinger on the other side of the ropes. Yeah, it's a good place for the reversal there. All right, I doubt we're going straight down right here. So I got my finger over the buy. Back to the 20.9. 2,000 orders to the long side came in right there. Was that a buy to cover? We don't know. Let's find out.
Speed of RTY 76.
39, thank you. 39R. So I was right in the middle of doing those checklists earlier and it didn't do it. Let's make sure we got real-time protection off there. Thank you, Brucey.
DCDMRTY on the 1.
Double cross at the top of a zone. I'm gonna short that back inside. My finger over the close, so it's a cluster. Let me pop outside of that cross. I'll close it out for a loss. Pretty well defined zone right here. So looking for double cross top of a zone. It's not at the exact top of the zone. It's better if it's all the way up at the top. But let's see.
Target filled. Target filled.
Okay, DCR for the win. Puts me back in positive territory here this morning. Oh!
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with US pending home sales change month over month.
That was a lot of work for 150 bucks, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's trade number 4. DCR. They type some DCR in the chat.
-5 spot 5%, -5 spot 5%.
Oh, we had news.
RTY on the 8.
Spot 2%.
I got to put my news indicator on.
US pending home sales index.
This is probably going to
spot 2,
break because it's
70 spot 2.
NinjaTrader. Let's see if NinjaTrader breaks because I clicked on indicators. What do you think? Oh, did I predict it or what? NinjaTrader. So tarded that you can't even right click and click on indicators while your charts are open. They're fantastical. Their current dev team is so amazing.
Noting some minor strength in the S&P 500.
How dare you try to check an indicator list while you haven't opened? It's a feature. Just trust us. Not a bug. It's a feature. Let's see. I think this just moved to. All right, let me save workspace. Oh, let me disconnect first. Then let me right click and go to indicators.
5% at 140.
Then we could go and add the news indicator because, hey, that's fun. Okay, so there was the news. Unfortunately, I didn't have the news thing turned on at the time. And, you know, like I'm working on where I'm going to put this news thing because I know it kind of gets in the way. I'll put it there. All right, let's try again. After we save workspace, so NinjaTrader
and Brent crude futures
can hang on us because
$2 to a session high of $80.78 per barrel.
They don't talk to me either. Vinny speaks too much truth. We don't like him. And there we go. Too many requests with the news. So we still got that issue. All right, so I'm not going to put the news thing on. Anyhow, you saw it once. Yeah, because basically it's hitting every bar. So no surprise. We're basically the news indicators hitting. It's a thing. Anyway, we got a bug in the news thing. So keep hitting exclamation mark news in the Discord chat for now. So hard these days, I tell you. Use Control I. That's smart. Does that work better if you hit Control I instead of right clicking in indicators? I assume it would be the same thing, but hey, I'll give it a test. Here, I'm gonna hit Control I right now. Control I. Hey, look at that. Does that really work? Is it really because you right click the chart? Dude, their chart drawing stuff is a problem. That's why we have this whole flashing issue to begin with, and they won't fix it because they won't listen to me.
Speed of RTY 72.
Idiots. For your protection. Mm-hmm. Oh, bless your heart. Okay, high time frame. Red dot structure here. Inside of a shark. Big fat trap back here. And continuing to march on up here. When in a grind, do not rewind. We are in a grind. So we're going to keep looking up. We need an entry. Okay, that's high of day up there, that big green line. So let's see if they do one of those like fake it's. Like they're like, oh, we're gonna get there, we're gonna get there, and then they don't. That could happen. This would be the place to do it. What's our sliver cover for? That is telling me 2 minutes still coffee time. Currently strong buy.
Fib.RTY on the 8th.
Let me get this accurate. We had loser, winner. Loser, winner. Right? Is that how it went? So this is where we've been here this morning. Tougher day. We were kind of due for one. Cadence and all. And me being late. And all of my no list issues.
Speed of RTY 62.
Yes, thank you for hitting the like there, dork. Smash that like button if you haven't done so already. Yeah, you know, it is perspective. Thank you, Eddie. $150 in 15 minutes is still $600 an hour. You know, I should keep that in mind. True that, true that. Thinking of my next meal. Is that what it is? You know, it might be. I am fasting, so maybe that is the thing. I'm definitely feeling low energy. Totally forgot about that. Not that I forgot about the fast. I'm just forgetting about the effects sometimes.
Speed of RTY 74.
Yes, definitely going through trial. That's why Jesus went into the desert when he was fasting, I'm pretty sure. Because he's like, don't have anyone around me because apparently you get really testy like me. He's like, you know, when you're fasting and how everyone pisses you off, you know what I mean? I'm sorry, Jesus, I can't be perfect like you. Oh, man. Thank goodness you came for me. I appreciate it. Because I am a mess.
DCDMRTY on the 1. Speed of RTY6.
Yeah, it might be for the no list. Yeah, like no trading while fasting, maybe. I haven't learned that lesson yet. Maybe now's the time to learn it, huh? Okay, we've got a cluster right here. Here comes the move. Whatever it's going to be, it's coming right now. Let's see. What's it going to be? I don't have a good read on this. Yeah, we're moderate buy. We went neutral-ish. We have been well extended. We've got a red dot into shark here. There's a lot going on. We're at the prior high point from a day ago. There's a lot of things going on here. I don't have a good read right now on this spot, so I'm just kind of holding here for the moment.
DCDMRTY.
Oh man. You know I want to hit that buy button so hard.
Fib.RTY.
Oh. But I'm not. Okay, look at that. We went shift from strong buy and we went bam bam all the way back to neutral again. Yeah. So remember, this is what's happening right here on the highest time frame. So you can't see that kind of thing on the lower time frame. And all that was very tempting, wasn't it? Very tempting to just punch the long. Got to be strong. Even when you're weak. Yeah, that 23 was legit though, wasn't it? I didn't even think about the number, but yeah, you're right. That is a monster enigma to the short side. So should have taken that short really. But it was just so hard against buy, strong buy, and all that kind of move up there. But yeah, that definitely called it. But it wasn't easy. It wasn't that easy though. Look, it did not go all the way to the target. It literally missed it by a good amount there, and then this now it barely tapped it, and that took some time. So not an easy one for sure. This is not an easy day. This is we got cadence level kicking in here. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, totally. Yeah, this is not an intermittent fast. Yeah, it's not. It is coffee time indeed, but I came in late here today, so I'm going to extend it a bit. Yeah, 23.3 Enigma was good on that one for sure. And again, I've told you guys before, if it's 20 or above, like, dude, do it. All right. For myself, but I didn't even notice that number. I got to get it in the habit of looking at that number more. I'm going to note that right now. Didn't see the fiddle zone highlighted on your MACV chart. Oh, yeah. What's up with that? Yeah, I need to reapply my template. Thank you for that. Hi, Vincent. How are you, sir? You're good? You're Vincent? Yeah. You want to come say hi? You say hello to everyone? Yeah. You say it right here. You want to talk into it?
Hello.
Somebody's calling us. Oh, I think the air conditioning people are coming to do it. Okay. Let's go check on that real quick. Oh, mommy's calling you. Let's go. Let's see if we can fix that. So I'm going to, so here's how you fix anything on your charts. If something's not showing right, right click on the chart, apply the template. That is my primary suggestion for you. Don't try to fart around with all those settings and whatnot. Just start with ours and then fart around. Does that make sense? So I'm going to go ahead and apply the MACV chart template. There we go. Got my stuff highlighted. Thank you, sir. And now I need to save workspace. So this happened because we just did the update yesterday. And workspace, I need to save my workspace. And workspace, save as.
RTY on the 35.
Backup. Boom, done. Alrighty then. There is a mess going on here. Let's look up at the higher time frame. So, yeah, I mean, this looks like we're going to do one of these, okay? If I'm trying to predict this just from experience, this goes... Y'all seen these? Okay, that's what this looks like to me. Now, I don't see the clustering of AOs that would, you know, hand us the easy button on that. Although, as I say that, let me go big screen here and check. Actually, that's what's happening right now down on the ones, isn't it? We're getting a ton of alpha omegas everywhere, aren't we? So I think we're about to trend. Okay, I believe we're about to trend.
Taking a look at
From
greed
the
index,
shape,
61 out of 100.
number one.
Greed and the crypto fear.
We do have, look,
29
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this one little spot here. So we are clustering more. Look over here how there's not that many AOs. Then all of a sudden it's ding, 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 ding on every turn. And look what's happening down here on the ones. Oh boy. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm assessing. Here we go. And then ding, 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 ding. We are about to what? Tell us in the chat. Right, we're getting AO clusterings everywhere right now. So this is about to become one of those, for me, again, a more difficult type of style of day. I'm not a buy and hold kind of guy. Oh, you know what? I don't have in that template, just in case everybody needs to know. I need to update that template. It does not have the audio box on it. Of course, you can put the audio box on any chart you want, but I need to add mine back. I'm like, why am I not hearing anything? I'm sure something's going on there. So I am totally off kilter here. I should really not be trading at the moment.
Speed of RTY 75.
All right, audio box now should be back on. But we are AO clustering, aren't we? Anybody typed AO clustering? Not yet. So, AOC. Yeah, so could just continue a grind.
71.
Yep, it's clustering. All right, these are the days where, what do I want to do? I want to go and take a break. Okay, this is not...
Change a forecast.
This is not what you want to... I don't want to say you, but this is not my style of day in general. All right, it's about to turn into one of those. Now, can I predict it and do well with it? For once, I would need more practice. I'll be honest. I need more practice on these types of days. I don't like them. It's not the politician AOC. It's exactly what I thought when I said AOC. I'm like, I don't even like to think about it.
Also at 10:30, we expect comments from Feds Barkin, who's to appear on Metro News with the host Hoppy Kercheval on the Talk Line program from the West Virginia Chamber Annual Business Summit. No text is expected, but there will be a Q&A with the host.
So it's weird. I have my audio box on, but I have not
Speed of
heard
RTY
anything
62.
for some reason. A little bit nervous about that. Why is audio box not working? I just added it. Did I miss a setting? Oh, there it is. As I say it, it's like, I'm here, bro. I got your back, bro. Yeah, so this is about to get difficult, in my opinion. It is about to be difficult. We've got AO clustering. Look at this. It's all over my chart now. So yes, as predicted. Now, so if you want my thoughts, we are likely going to continue a run and go and go and go and go and go, but it will take its sweet time. It's only 10:20. So on this run, high time frame, look at the high time frame now. Now you're looking at, this is a 7.7. This is likely a midpoint of a move. So now if you want to see what I think, I'm going to grab my F8 tool. I'm going to put it right here to the 7.7. This runs all the way up here somewhere. It probably eats all this blue line liquidity from prior and pops right up above it and punches into that right there, and which would give us that little, I don't even know how to describe this little subtle soft curve thing that you've seen on occasion, that oftentimes it'll kind of come with what I kind of call the handle, like little samurai sword looking thing. So that's what I think would happen here. But dude, you gotta be something special to play that kind of play, okay? At the same time, if it hits the midday point and goes does some, okay, everybody's looking up, and then all of a sudden it could just grind down. That's why I don't like these kind of days, because it will trend. That is what we know. We just don't know when it shifts and then it goes. Like this could be the pivot point right here. It's like, okay, everybody's looking up, and then now it's like, oh, now I'm going to begin to grind down. But what do I think it's going to do? I think it's going to do that S-curve crazy thing all the way up. But, you know, it is going to be more difficult to take our style of plays. Make sense? Yeah, that S-curve. Right. Some weird inverted S-curve thing, right? Yeah, the grinder. And it's one that will just go and go and go and go. Yeah, and it makes our alpha omegas not work really well, although that's a 21, right? So I should take a short right here. In fact, if we touch that moon, we get a little bit closer up to it, I will take a quick stab on it to see if I can push myself a little bit more than 150 bucks here. I'm basically at a wash day. Let's see. No, I mean, I'm hearing out. No, can't do it. I'm literally hearing audio box kick right into it. You see what I mean? Like in a day like this, when these start to come, like great 21 Enigma level stuff will just not work. Like right now, stuff, it's just like, I'm gonna run no matter what happens on the chart. Like I don't cur, okay? Buy one contract and just hold it? Yeah, possibly. Yeah, I mean, the regulator entry might be the way to go. Like, follow whatever that, while it's starting to work inside of a channel of movement in the direction of the color on the regulator. Yeah, maybe that's the way to play it. But yeah, there's one already. It's more of a painful style day, right? I would rather just go
10:30 a.m.
do something else.
We get our weekly EIA natural gas.
Hang out with the kids, you know.
35 BCF on the prior build of
hit the pool.
BCF. We also
they're at school now, so
bed sparking.
Summertime's over.
Metro News.
Oh, it's back to business.
Virginia
Speaking of back to school,
Summit. No text is expected.
This is the only time we've ever done $24.99, and there's a payment plan. We've never had that either. Same as cash. $249 for 10 months, and you own it lifetime. All the goodies. And if you are an Apex player, don't forget, if you want the deepest discounts, in fact, I think they're running a really deep discount on Labor Day on Monday. So if you're going to hook it up, don't forget use code ALGOBOX, because Apex and ALGOBOX both start with A and end with X, like a match made in heaven. So get your deepest discount code no matter what whenever you are signing up for Apex. Just remember ALGOBOX. Put it in your coupon code, get your big fat discount. You see that S-curve thing starting to form?
Speed of RT
Oh, excuse me.
54.
Oh, my allergies are going crazy too. Oh, the Apex deal is already started? Oh, okay. So they started their Labor Day sale and it's for 2 weeks? Cool. Too cool for back to school. Arm long. Arm long and hold. See, that smoothness is a little more pronounced on this time frame, but learned this over my career. And I saw this. It's like, does it reverse? Nope. No, it do not. Now, of course, I say that today, and today may be the day that does, because you know how it is with the markets. Like, just because you've seen something happen in the past does not mean X, Y, or Z. However, this one is a very rare
1 minute
type of pattern thing, so when it shows up, you're like, take a note. 1 minute remaining. I believe there is 10:30 news here, so let's see what they're gonna say.
Ten seconds.
Ten seconds for the news.
Build 35 BCF. Build 35 BCF as expected.
Speed of RTY 51.
Okay, this has come back nice and deep here. I'm gonna get my finger over the buy here.
The euro extends full versus the US dollar and hits a 10.
Here's already up.
1.10.
Just give me a reason. It's quite a deep reason, bruh. A little deeper than I wanted you to go here, being honest. Need to go to small. Just there and just bump the numbers. Just do that. This shifted back to neutral. Yikes. Like I got a death wish or something. Taking trades when there's no entry. So technically, look, there's a 6.5. It came in right here. It's green. See, it's a high time frame thing, so it's going to have to be more risk. But I was hoping this was staying strong buy, moderate buy, but now we are neutral. So if that shifts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Please be a 4 LDT right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me my little dog head. Let's go. I'm in. Let's do this. Come on, bruh. All right. Shake and bake. King timing. Take me on that shark back. Forget you. I'm not playing around with you. You're going to dive right in front of me. Not happening. All right. I'm currently naked, so I'm going to add stop. And just need to think about how much I want to risk here. This is my 5th trade. 5th and what could be final, because I hate these kind of days. I literally loathe them. Hold half, just in case everybody knows. Use my half button there. All right, I'll close it right there. 1680 on the day. I don't know if I got the energy for the hype in the chat, but I'm going to try to. I'm going to try.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hey, this is great, man.
Triple kill.
Tactical nuke incoming! Look at this guy.
Oh, yes.
Speed of RTY 55.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me. It's exhausting.
Dodging bullets like a boss.
You keep making plans, babe. I'm sorry.
I definitely dodge a lot of bullets, you know what I'm saying?
Cause I love it when you talk. No matter where I go with you, not here. It's just not home. I know I can't let go without you near. Feel alone. I'm holding on your tricks.
All right, trade number 5. Let's take it off. Alrighty then. The trade board is naked.
Along on the RTY1.
That means it's time to dance. And that's a moonshot. So I'm going to give it my underpants. Bonus trade. Here it is. I'm taking this one for the bonus. Don't care. Don't care.
Take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat. Something new, yeah. You make it like a game now, winning every move. And you say follow and play along. Have a box, it's true. It's too late to miss the game. Out the box, it's too late.
Well, what a crock of poop. Alright, bonus not working for me there today. No surprise. Like I said, this is the type of day that I do not do well on. It's just not, yeah, I don't know how to describe it. It's just icky all the way around. You know, it really makes me mad. Why didn't I just look right there? Oh, I know, because I'm exhausted. And low-called. Really no-called. I didn't even do coffee this morning. I'm straight lemon water only.
Fed spark
for 3 days. Alright.
but we're not there yet. We are making
Flat zero could have avoided that enigma, right? Literally ran right into the flat. So normally, when my brain is functioning properly, we can avoid that one, I feel like, pretty easily. Did I just leave that? I left that other music going the whole time? Wow. What a noob. What a noob tuber. Act like this guy's never been on YouTube before or something. What's wrong with you, son? I'll tell you what's wrong with me. Just kidding. I'm not telling you what's wrong with me. Oh my goodness. You can speculate.
Is the most human thing we can do.
Alright, so that's how the day went down. We went 3 up, 3 down. So, loser, winner, loser, winner, winner, loser on the bonus. What a bum day, you know what I mean? It's just not nearly as fun, you know what I'm saying? I mean, look at this shift. Look what happened. So we're like green, 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 green. Oh, just no, I'm gonna go red for a little bit. Oh, this is the type of day. But we knew it. The good news is, what I love about our system is that it gave me the heads up. We had the AO clustering. Tells me we're about to turn into that nonsense that we don't like. The music will fix everything. You know, sometimes when you can't say it, a good song can do it. You know what I mean? It's true. What is that? What's Vespine gas? Is that a thing? Yeah, it's too smart for me. I gotta Google these things. That was a tough 1.6. It was. And then I ended up, it was so tough I needed to go back to 1.2. Yeah. My $400 superstition like worked in reverse. It was like, I need to take that $400 from you. right, so we have been sitting on the flat. So right now, normally, we've been sitting on the flat for a while. It's a good point to use this example right now. Since we have been flat now for a while, what do I want to turn on? Pop quiz. What can I turn on now? And then we'll go a little bit further to talk about, once I've turned that on, if there's a directional bias to go along with it. Turn on the music. That is something we're turning on. Absolutely. What else can I turn on? Enigma bot. Yes, because oftentimes once we're in the flat, like a great takeoff sometimes is an Enigma. Another thing that I can look at for this little area here is a retry entry right here as we go through. Look at all these people getting in right here, right? And then they got kind of hosed. They're getting nope, Medusa, black, right? Or we can just sit here flat and punch in the Enigma. So I want to also add to it though for today, because of where we're at, I'm going with the bias. So I'm going to long side arm only and punch in continuous. Does everybody follow that? Wow, look how flat we are sitting. This is crazy. It's just tempting. I'm telling you. It's just trying to be like, okay, we're finally going down. I'm telling you. It's just, I have been in these too many times. Now this is experience talking to you, okay? Experience talking. They're going to get everybody thinking it's a direction, then they're going to get wrecked. And it won't be quick, it'll be on a grind. They will grind them to death. The death of their account, that is. Mr. Roman, how's your first day of school today?
I get all these for my friends.
You want to get all these for your friends?
Yeah.
Well, how many of these do we need?
So we need white. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need 10 of these.
Well, what is it?
So we need white, pink, yellow, gray, orange, blue, and green, light, dark, and purple. That's all the colors we need.
Oh, well, of what? What is it?
So we need white, pink, yellow, gray, orange, blue, green, light, dark, and purple.
Well, what are they? I mean, I know they're colors, but colors of what? What is that?
The dinosaur costumes.
Oh, dinosaur costumes. You want me to get a dinosaur costume for you and all of your friends in every color.
It looks like this says alien, inflatable alien costumes.
It says inflatable alien costumes. Yes. Is that an alien?
No, it's a dinosaur.
No, it's a dinosaur. Okay. Well, we'll work on that. How much monies do you have?
All of these cost money.
Yeah. Yeah, things cost money.
You think they cost money?
Yeah, how much is it?
Oh, I got lots of money.
You have lots of money?
Yeah, I think it cost $1,500.
$1,500. Okay,
yeah,
well.
they cost 1,500 coins.
1,500 coins. Oh man.
I can give you 1,500 coins.
Well, he's running off to get me 1,500 coins, everyone, so I guess my job is done here. First day of kindergarten. It's gonna be fun. He wants me to buy him and his friends inflatable dinosaur costumes. Oh, okay. Well, are you doing your classes? Okay, he's gonna get lots of coins to give me lots of monies. Okay, just in case anybody want to know. It's our new trading strategy.
Upper band.
We good with that?
RTY on the 89.
How much is that in ticks? Yeah, I should ask him. I've been deep in AB these last few days and blown away at everything. I'm stoked to get going on this. Oh, Greg, it's great to have you with us, my friend. It was a pleasure having a chat with you the other day. Thanks for getting on a call with me. Gotten wrecked too many times in these trend days. Yeah, no joke. See, like even right now, we feel like we've predicted the trend, right? But how deep of a pullback do I have to ride because it's a high time frame trend that's coming into place? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just my main tip I could tell you is if you're getting started with this, just make sure you go through the yeah, more dinosaur costumes. Oh yes, no, they want more. Like they wanted every color now. It has actually been pretty fun. I'll be honest. Dad has been enjoying this, dressing up as the inflatable dinosaur. It's a lot of fun. Yes, sir. You got all the money you need? Oh, hold on. You brought your dinosaur piggy bank? Wait, let me take a picture. Can I take your picture? Is this where all your money is?
Yeah.
Well, what's in there?
Coins.
You got coins in there? Well, how do we get the money out of him?
From the bottom.
From the bottom? Oh, thank goodness. We don't have to break it or anything? Okay. Well, how many coins do you have in there, and how many do we need to buy all of your dinosaur costumes that you want?
I think 5 or 4.
5 or 4? Okay. Well, thank goodness. You're funny. Are you funny? Yeah. Do you put a smile on my heart? Yeah, you do.
Well, 5 or 4 will cost for all these costumes.
5 or 4? It's just 5 or 4 coins? Are those gold coins or something?
There's silver coins.
Silver coins?
Gold.
Silver coins and gold coins? Wow. I'm glad you got us hooked up. That's gonna be a lot of fun, I think. You think it's gonna be...
I got this.
You think you got gold? You think it's gonna be a lot of fun? Okay. You heard it here first. He's got a plan. Speaking of plans, this is going way against my plan. Like, what is going on here? So hold on, I'm turning off entry. See what I mean? Like, I have no idea what's happening here. Like, this? Really? Who's thinking that's happening? All right, so here's what's going on right now. So we've just bright green dotted this thing. And the curvature, so did the curve potentially not start back here? Because this is where I was originally thinking. So, oh, then I extended it out like this because that's the distance. But I just realized, well, what if it's this pivot? Well, then that means it's done. See my point? These are just, again, not my favorite. They're not as easy, in my opinion. Now, you may differ. Like, if you like these kind of days, awesome. I mean, there is a thing. Like, there's going to be some kind of person. It's like, what kind of video game you like? Like, I like Battlefield 3. I think every other game in the world probably sucks compared to Battlefield 3. And again, Quake's pretty awesome too. All right, but I don't get you, you clowns who play those. But you didn't have to call me a clown. I know, I'm just messing with you. You only remember it if I dig into you a little bit. You know what I'm saying? What are those games where it's like you mash the buttons constantly? It's like second person and you're running your guy around and you level up all the time. StarCraft. That's the one I was trying to think of. Like StarCraft, right? Oh my goodness. I don't understand games like that. All right, but again, some people love it. This is my whole point. Is that even though I'm telling you, you suck if you like those kind of games. Okay. I am offending you to the max. If you like it, MMOs, there you go. That's it. 2016, that is when I first launched into public. Yes, I was still doing this even before that, but my buddy Albert talked me into showcasing what I was doing with dual robot systems. January 2016, he made me press the button after our long conversation over Christmas and his continuous badgering me until I did. And here we are. Yeah, if you're not good at them, why do you have to suck? The time waster games. I mean, I feel like they're all kind of time wasters, but I don't know. There's something... I could get into a whole philosophy of games. Okay, that's the trap. I think this is the up move. I'm looking for a buy on a four-legged dog trap. We began to do stair steps. I will jump in on the next step.
The US to sell $70 billion in
whatever. It wants to keep going. Fine. I'm in.
On September 5th.
Give me my $400 back.
$46 billion in 52-week bills.
There's the head. See if I can catch a bid. It didn't fill me all the way, dadgummit. Horse manure. Well, if I had gotten all my orders filled, I would have been able to pull it there and gotten my $400 back. So I'm also not lucky today. Does that make sense? We're definitely not getting lucky. Okay, so this is the first step that I would have wanted to get in on. But now I have to get into heavy because I don't want to be in that heavy. Just trying to get my $400 back here. We got a 9.4 here, just FYI. So I feel like we've got enough to attempt to accumulate here. Worst case scenario. Shifted back to neutral. Come on, baby. Get up to green for me. Do it. Do it. Doen. Du hast. Du hast mich. Du hast. Du hast mich. Ta. Targets filled. That's what I'm talking about. Get you some.
That's what I'm talking about. Get you some.
Filled.
That's what
Oh, the best part of waking up is Curtis singing to you in your cup. Oh man, did I barely get out of that one? Look at that. Wow, did we... I think I eyeballed that one pretty darn good. I mean, literally called the peak high there. Was like, yep, that's about all she's gonna go right there for now. Don't care. Don't care. Got my $400 back. Almost got to 2K. All right, somebody throw me a 20. Roman, bring me your coins, son. Daddy needs a 20. Oh my goodness. To the tick. Okay, maybe I did get lucky today. All right. I am changing my mind. Changing my tune. Definitely got lucky today. All right. That's pretty much it for the session one. I'll be back this afternoon. Thanks for hanging out. For me, PP Robbie, Lunch, Mod Squad, Curtis G, and Eddie B. I am sending out the big H-Town. See ya. Art team, why don't you show them how it's done? Just a few days left for that back to school offer, and it's Labor Day, so let's get it. Hit it or get it. Let me find the button. Eeny, meeny, miny. Mo.
The old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
DCBMRTY on the 1.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Delta 5 billion. Long. Look for long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. Down on freeze. Order filled. Target filled.
Audio Jungle.